Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if this is actually the first time you're actually coming across my channel, welcome. My channel basically we do reviews and unboxing of affordable and wireless earbuds so that we can help you to decide whether is it worthwhile to get it before you hit the buy button. So for today we're going to be unboxing this one. Right? So let's get into it. Very well wrapped. Alright, so this is actually the AirPods. If I'm not wrong, this is actually the AirPods 2nd Gen. Not too sure if it's written anywhere. It's not written anywhere that this is actually AirPods 2nd Gen. But the one that I got is actually called the AirPods 2. The version I got is the one which doesn't have the wireless charging. Right? If I'm not wrong, I think the AirPods 2nd Gen was actually released in March 2019, and at the point of making this video, it's actually August 2021. So it's actually been almost 1.5 years since Apple actually launched the AirPods 2. So we're gonna unbox it and see whether it is still worthwhile to get the AirPods 2nd generation in August of 2021. Alright, so let's get into it. Wow, it smells very fresh. Wait, give me a smell. Wow, fresh. Alright, so when you first open the box, you have this AirPods. Back. Oh, it's very clean packaging. Right, so right in the middle is our main character for today. Let's put it aside first. Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's put it all back. Alright, so focus on seeing this. You can see it's actually very nicely wrapped. But let's unwrap it. It's very nice. Not too sure I can see it from the video, but it's very whitish white, like pearly white, shiny. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Ooh, shiny. This is the charging port. Alright, so let's take a look inside. So once you open it, you will see the AirPods are inside. Right, the interior is also very shiny as well. So there's a pulsing white light here. Probably it says that it's actually in pairing mode. We'll take a look at that later. Let's close the lid. like a spring here. Once you open it like this one, like past a certain angle, it will spring back. Yeah, nice. Oh, see? There's a certain spring to it. Let's take out the earbuds. Okay, so this is one on the left, this on the right. Good look. Right, this is where the ears goes in. It doesn't, if I'm not wrong, I think this don't actually, the AirPods don't really go into your ear. They call it the on-ear because they don't have a ear tip. Let's look at the closer design on one of it. Let's put it back. See here, microphone. Probably is another microphone. This is probably the smartware sensor. Alright, there's another sensor here. Another microphone here. There's a lot of microphone around the AirPod. Yeah. And it has a very long stem. There's another microphone here at the bottom of the stem. And probably this metal piece here is where it's connected to the charging area in the casing. So look at it. Yeah, you see at the bottom? You see the two magnetic stem there? It's to recharge the AirPod. So now, as I saw an orange light, that should be the recharging the AirPods, you see? A red light now, as an orange light actually. Let's see what happens when we pop in the lightning cable. So I have a lightning cable here with me. So let's see what happens when we pop it in. Alright, there's no indication on the exterior tell you that it's actually charging. So let's open up the lid. Okay. Right, so let's plug out the wire. Okay, so when you plug out the wire, you see that it actually has a momentary flash of a green LED light. So let's put it again. Let's pull it out again. See? In case you missed it. There. Okay. Alright, so let's get the AirPods to be paired up and let's see what happens. Alright, I have with me here is an Android phone. This is actually an Oppo Reno, as you can see from the device name here, Oppo Reno. Okay, let's see what happens when we open up. Can it be paired with an Android device? Oh, we can. You see here, AirPods. Tap on it. And it's connected. And over here, instantly it actually activates high quality audio using AAC. Alright, nice. Alright, so next step, we will go in and test the controls. Alright, so let's take out the AirPods. And let's test the controls. I'm wearing the AirPods now. Okay, so it is pause. So if I take out the AirPods, the touch control doesn't really work. Right. The control for AirPods on Android is pretty simple. It's just play or pause, double tap on the left or right. It doesn't have, as far as I know, I don't really see. I was trying triple tap, nothing much. So this is actually the basic control of the AirPods. I mean, it works with Android. Alright, for music. Alright, so let's switch over to connecting the AirPods with an iPhone. Alright, hi guys. Here I have with me is my own iPhone 12 mini. So I'm gonna do the connection. The animation is really very nice. See this? Right, I'm gonna just put it down and zoom in closer. So I'm gonna click connect. Hold the button. Yes, now it's connecting. Set up Siri? No, not now. Nope. Alright, so it's done. Alright, so the AirPods are actually 96% charged. The casing is actually 65% charged. Done. Wow, it says choose AirPods. Nice. Love the animation. Look at the animation. Ooh. Splendid. Right. Okay, gonna close it. Okay, so let's test the music. Take out my AirPods. Oh, so when I wear it, then it's actually connected. Okay, so I can't take it out. So when I take it out, it'll be disconnected immediately. Put it on. Takes about 2 seconds to be reconnected. So what happens if I take out one side? Still plays. Ah, cool. So I can actually listen with one earpod. But if I remove the other one, it stops and I can resume play. Okay, nice. Probably it could be this sensor here. Okay, this sensor here, which could be a smartware sensor. Okay, see what other control it has. Right, so let's look at the rest of the controls. Alright, let's pause the music for now. Pull down here. See what are the controls. Oh, there's no controls here. It's just very simple. So I'm gonna do a audio recording. See, how my audio sounds like. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods Gen 2. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods Gen 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Not bad. I'll say that's not bad, But of course, I'll be testing this on a more regular basis just to see, how things goes. That's all for the unboxing of the AirPods. And my name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.